This week, I'm doing a quick 4-part series that shows how you can take different, relatively simple functions and combine or nest them together to make your worksheets more nimble and dynamic. We're going to start off with index, then go to match, index match, and then add on with SUMIF and SUMIFs using index and match. First up is index. The index function is generally used when you want Excel to return a specific cell value based on coordinates, the coordinates being the row and the column where that cell is located. The function is index, highlight your array, comma, enter the row number where you're looking for your data, comma, then your column number, close out. In this example, I did 2 rows down and 2 columns over, which is going to return the word apple. If I were to change that first 2 to 3 and went 3 rows down, it's going to return the word grape. If I change the column, so that second 2, change it to 4, it's going to return the number 900, which is the quantity for that grape line item. As you can tell, index is great if you know where you're looking for something specifically, but if not, you're going to want to incorporate the match function, which is what we're going to learn next.